Hello everybody, my today's topic is partnership. So let's begin with partnership. It says where two or more persons agree to carry lawful business with their personal resources for earning a profit, and it is governed by Indian Partnership Act 1932. So that means that two or more persons come together in order to earn profit and they bring their personal resources, that means their personal capital, to carry on the lawful business. Now let's come with the definition which is given by Indian Partnership Act 1932, which says that partnership is the relation between persons who have agreed to share the profit. Now the profit ratio is shared on the basis of capital contributed by them. Suppose two partners are there and they have contributed capital in the ratio of 60-40, then the profit or loss will be shared in this ratio, that is in the ratio of 60 and 40. Suppose if three partners are there and they have contributed the capital, suppose 25, 25 and 50, then they will be sharing the profit or loss in this ratio only. Then it says that the business is carried on by all, that means all the three members will carry on the business, or any one acting for all, that means any one of the member, he can be the active member and he can take decisions on behalf of everybody. This is known as partnership. Now let's begin with the features of partnership. So first point is formation, which says that it is governed by the Indian Partnership Act 1932 and a legal agreement is done where all the things are pre-specified, like profit and loss sharing ratio. Apart from that, the business has to be conducted in a lawful manner, name, address of the business and which type of business they are going to carry. So each and every details are mentioned in the agreement. Thus the formation takes place through legal agreement and through registration according to the Indian Partnership Act 1932. Next point of feature is liability. The liability of the members is unlimited the case it was there in sole proprietorship. That means if the business assets are not sufficient to pay off the debt, then in that situation their personal assets will be sold to pay off the debt. Here the liability can be given jointly or individually. Individually, every member is liable to pay the debt of the business, and jointly any one member can pay the debt of other members and later on he can recover from the other members. So jointly every member is responsible to pay the debt. Now third point is risk bearing. So profit is the reward for risk bearing. That means they have whatever they are risk they are taking, in return they will be getting reward, and the reward will be shared according to the capital contributed by them. So this is known as risk bearing. Next point is decision making and control. So decision making and control of the business is taken mutually. So mutual consent is important. Thus they carry on the business with mutual consent. So this is how they work. Next point is continuity. So continuity here in this case, the business can be automatically dissolved in case of insolvency, insanity, death, retirement. So here it is, the business will automatically be dissolved, but if the members want to carry the business, the rest members, then in that situation they have to go for a new agreement so that they can continue the business. Next point is membership. In case of partnership, the minimum member is 2 and maximum members are 50. Next point is mutual agency. Mutual agency means that every member work as a mutual agency. That means they bind with the act of others. So they work as the principal of as an agent. Now as an agent, they represent other partner. That means the other partners, their agent is representing the other partners and binds them through his act. So whatever they are taking decision, whatever they are taking, whatever they are acting as an agent, they are binding others. And as a principal, he is bound by the acts of other members. That means when the member becomes principal, he is accepting the decisions or the act of other members. Thus they work in a mutual agency way. Thank you.